Hold up.
Welcome back guys to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sort data in alphabetical order in Gridview. So let's get started. First, add new web form, add new item, new web form, and add it. Go here, align is equal to center, under div tag, and under toolbox take Gridview and go here, take SQL data source, go to the design. First, the order format. I'm giving brown sugar, you can give anything. I'm giving brown sugar, so okay, and go here, configure data source, connection string, say next, go here, order by condition, and choose full name. Like I'm choosing full name, I'm giving order by alphabetical for full name. You can give anything which have data type in varchar. So okay, next, you can test query if you want. I'm just clicking finish. So guys, come here, click here and choose data source as SQL data source 1, and now we'll run this and see whether the full name is in alphabetical order or not. So run it. So guys, as you can see, this the full name is starting from A, then C, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So validate. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be back with another video. Thank you.